everybody, it's Carol. Today, I've got a dupe. A dupe. You're gonna love this dupe. So sit back, relax, stay a while. Okay, so excited. But before we get to the dupe, I am going to show you what I am wearing today. One thing I'm wearing is this scarf. I have a link for every color scarf, Canadian Amazon and USA Amazon. And so anyway, these are eyelash scarves. You might have seen them in another video. And this one is a like magenta. Let's see, you could tie it. It's so big you could tie it. You could also wear it as a hoodie. See, and you could also wear it like that. They can be worn anyway. Look how I'm wearing it today. I just tied a knot there. I could move it over and put it here. I could wear it as a shawl, as a poncho, as a top, as a dress. It's just wild. It's wild. It's big. Oh, and also it's supposed to go on your head like a hoodie. And I just got every color. So far I've worn a cream color, a lavender, and this color. And I'm waiting for a navy, a royal, a white, a pink, a red, a yellow. Yeah, because you know how easy this is to wear? You throw on a pair of jeans, you throw on one of these camisoles, and you're set. You've got a top. This one is really stretchy. This one is like the most stretchy. But I just love it. It's just so cute. I love it. Oh, I didn't spray today. Let me spray. This is Glam Glow. The spray that comes out of this is phenomenal. It just has a beautiful mist. It's just really nice. Just putting on my lipstick. This is Show Orchid by MAC. It's kind of like a glistening raspberry. So I didn't know what to wear for this video. Or how to do my hair. Or I have this in it. So I hope this is okay. Today I have the greatest dupe I've ever found. I'm so excited. I'm over the moon about this dupe. Okay? It just makes me so happy. But before that, I'm going to show you what makeup I'm wearing. I have the Wet and Wild cushion, and I have on Urban Decay blush, and I have on You Drive Me Coconuts, and I have on Show Orchid. And I just got another order of these plastic caps that I keep all my MAC lipsticks. And I hid all the black caps. So now I can't return anything without the black caps. So I'm hoping that in my decluttering that I'll find them. Because now all my MACs have this. And I put them up a little bit like that. And then boop. And put them in a lipstick acrylic tray. And then you can see the colors. It's fabulous. I wish they would redesign their lipstick bullets, you know? Something a little fancy. So, first announcement is, let's see, I have an announcement. I'm having a giveaway for my birthday. I'll be turning 69 in, I don't know when I'm putting this up, but I'll be turning 69 in February. And I want to give away something to you. So, I'm going to show you that towards the end of the video. Okay? And I'm wearing Collab mascara by the YouTube influencers, and I have also the lid lacquer on my lids from NYX. I have just like a brown and black eyeshadow, and if I knew I was going to wear this color, I would have put like more of a burgundy. But actually, I think there's a little burgundy up there. I used the Candy Johnson palette today. Let me tell you how I found this dupe. I saw that Artis came out with a mini little palm brush. It's so cute. I wanted it, but I said, oh, it's too much. I'm not spending that money. And that's what the little mini one looks like. And that's what the regular palm brush looks like also. So I was searching and searching and searching online for days, and I found a dupe. I was so excited. This was $65, the Artiste. And the one I found for you is way less. Okay. These dupes that I found will make anybody happy. I'll show you them, okay? I'm going to make a big reveal here. Look at that. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Ooh. Oh my God, I'm so excited with these. I am just so excited. Over the moon. Okay. So, to fill, I mean, I love name things, but I don't need the name to make me happy. I just need the product. Then I'm happy. Something like the product. So, okay, so the real one, I mean, the Artiste one, is a mirrored dome top, okay, with a finger divot. This is a hammered dome top. Hammered mirror dome top. Okay, it's got the finger divot. It's got a white rubber trim. It's got full, thick bristles that work with foundation, primer, sunscreen, moisturizer, cream contour, concealer, and powder. That's exactly what I used it for. First I put on my serums. Then I put on a moisturizer. Then I put on a sunscreen. Then I put on a primer. All with this. Then I put on my foundation with this. Then I put on a cream contour and then concealer. And I used one brush. Now let me show you the other one. Let me come up. Ooh. This is rose gold. Look at that. With a pink, hot pink rubber trim. Oh my goodness. It just goes all around. And the exact same thick, dense, beautiful bristles. Look at that. It's phenomenal. It's just a phenomenal brush. You could do your whole makeup with this. Oh. Oh, and you could just blend. So I have my blush on, so I will just blend. It feels like heaven. It just feels like, it feels heavenly. And it really works. It really works. I absolutely love these two, and I highly recommend it. And guess what? I am going to give one away for my giveaway. I mentioned earlier that I am having a giveaway. It will be probably in the beginning of March. I'll show you what I'm going to give you. Okay, so first I'm giving you Nano Mister. And I just took it out of the box. It has a leatherette, pink leatherette case. It comes with cables to charge it. And here it is. I'm giving you the pink one. Oh, it's just too cute. Look how cute that is. Then I'm giving you the rose gold brush. The palm brush dupe. And then I'm giving you a kimono robe. A luxurious, glamorous kimono robe that is baby blue with baby pink flowers and green leaves and peacocks and gorgeousness. Just gorgeousness. Look at this. I mean, I will wear it in an upcoming video. This will be mine, but I have another one right there for you in the package. And so these brushes are very easy to maintain. And if you want to use this, I would use a microfiber cloth to clean it. You don't have to wash it all the time. You could just wipe everything off with that, with the microfiber cloth. And it stays nice and clean because the makeup doesn't go all the way in. It repels the makeup, you know? So, you see, I could just do this. I could just do this. Ooh, I love it. Oh, it's so glamorous, isn't it? Oh, I love it. My Instagram link is down below. Lots of fun over there. We have a good time over there. We're all there all night. We're having a party. And the ones that are there, and the ones that can't sleep at night are posting, and it's a lot of fun. I like Instagram so much better than Facebook. But if you're on Instagram, I am the O'Carroll Show. So let's see what else we have to talk about. See this polish? I think it looks okay on camera, but it looks disgusting in person. I hate it. It just makes my hands look so dark and dirty. And just, I don't know, because it's flat, it's matte, it's hot pink. And I love hot pink, but I like this on my toes. So this was my combo today. Let me give you a swatch. It looks more orchid on my lips. It looks true to color, true to the bullet on my lips. I just want to make it bigger. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the dupe. I'm over the moon. And I hope you leave a comment so you can be entered in my giveaway. You don't have to say anything. I want this, I want that, I don't want it. You could just leave any comment. And I don't think I can comment to this video. I think that's what happens when you have a giveaway. You're not supposed to comment, so your name doesn't get mixed up in the entries. So, if you need me, I'm around 24/7 on social media. Come over to Instagram or Facebook, and there, I haven't been on Facebook too much lately. Sometimes I'm on there all the time, but I like Instagram better. And I love YouTube, and I love you. So thank you for watching, and remember, you in there are beautiful. Have a great week. I'll see you next Saturday. Oh, next Saturday. Ooh, I have a fun video next Saturday. Okay, I think I have a haul coming up, but a cutesy haul. All these cute little things that I found that you're just gonna love. And you know, I always find you a good price. So if you feel you're shopping a lot because you come and visit me, when you see my haul, most 3 or 4 of the things that I bought there are because of YouTubers. So, and that's my way of giving them a shout out too. So that's next week, and I can't wait to send my giveaway out to a lucky person. Believe me, I would do 10. It's just I get confused with all the addresses and the shipping, so I'm going to do one at a time. Just one at a time, so it doesn't confuse me. And what else? I'm going to have a Q&A soon, so if you have any questions you want to leave down in the description box, you can. I have a whole list of questions, but I mean, there's always room for more. Oh, yeah, look at this mirror I bought. This has got to be one of the best mirrors I've ever bought. Okay, first of all, this thing goes around. Okay, you can do your mirror sideways. You can do your mirror straight up. Now, the most unique part about it is, I'll show it to you, I'll turn it around in a minute, is this. This is 10 times, this is a 10-time mirror right there. Now, it came with a 3-time mirror, which I don't know where it is. And it was like something like this, but it was round, okay? But when I was putting it in my train case, it fell on the mirror and it cracked it. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Look at that. It cracked. So what I did was, I put E6000 glue. The guy refunded me that I bought it. I told him it was cracked, that's all. I said, oh, I cracked it, and I didn't expect him to refund me. But look at that. This is the cutest part. And then this turns on, but you have to have it plugged in. Isn't that great? So I bought it to put in my train case, but it's kind of too thick, so I'll have to get something else. But I just use it here. It's so cute. Very, very cute. I have another mirror here, which I love. And I showed this, I think, on Facebook, and a lot of you have this mirror. This is 10 times and 1 time. But what I love that it's lit up. I love that it's 10 and 1. But I love this, that you can bring this up and down. So when I'm filming, you can't even see the whole mirror. I can bring it all the way down. These things are so affordable. It's ridiculous. I mean, that's like about $30. So, yeah, I broke the mirror. Oh, do you believe that? And I can't turn it the other way because the stand doesn't turn all the way around. So I can't turn it upside down to hide it. So I don't care. It still works. So yeah, I had to show you those mirrors. I'll put links to those mirrors down below. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great week. And I'll see you next Saturday. Let's make a date. Make a date to meet next Saturday. How about that? You got a date. You have a date. And remember, you are beautiful, because I can see you in the